So I've been waiting to put this together all week. It came and then it rained. So thankfully I had just cut the grass with the other mower prior to this one showing up, and now I get to put this together. There she is. All right, welcome back to my channel, Cozy Christopher, and today we're going to be looking at the Ryobi zero-turn motor. And the unique thing about this, what makes this tech, is that this is completely electric. So no gas, no oil, no spark plugs. It runs off of 4 batteries. And we are going to unbag her, put it together, and go from there. Definitely gonna be keeping that in case I have to recover her up. First box looks like the battery charger. Okay. 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 That side is this is the cable. Goes into the back. This is the power plug, which you plug into the wall. And here is the charger. So it looks like you have, almost looks like the charger you would find on a golf cart. It's kinda cool. Okay, so the next box, oh, it's actually not a box. That's your pedal, so that's your parking brake and your brake. Okay, so this is your tow hitch. Here we go. So yeah, that's the tow hitch. I'll put that on in a minute. Stop. Please read the assembly guide included in this box. To view an instructional video, please visit blah blah blah, Ryobi tools, blah blah blah, setup, blah blah blah. But make sure you do that. This is a really powerful machine, so if you do have small children and things like that, even small dogs, you know, animals, cats, you want to make sure that they're out of the way when you're getting ready to use it. Necessary tools for getting it off the box and putting things together. We got a 5 and a 14. Okay, so it's 5 and a 14 and 12. All right, so it's metric. And then we have 2 keys. Okay, next up is the cockpit, the racing seat, the throne. I feel like someone's wife came up with that title, the throne. Motivated somebody to cut the grass. They protected the mess out of this in shipping. This is a really nice seat and it's extremely heavy, which leads me to believe that for one, it's durable. It's really heavy, but it's heavy as hell. I can sit it down and turn it around, but extremely comfortable. It's really thick. That pad's like 5 inches. I'm hyping, it's like 4.5. Check on the battery. All right, it's just 4 snaps. All right, so, okay. So you got this piece right here and you basically just gotta plug that in. And now my battery's connected. Here's the safety switch for the seat. Put the seat on. That part has to go in the front right up there. Easy peasy. But first, you want to pull this through the back and attach the safety switch. So the safety switch is a pressure switch that's in the seat. And basically, if you're ever tossed off of this thing or something like that, everything stops. So the blade stops, the motor stops. Now, normally in a gas, the motor stops. On this one, I'm guessing the battery just stops engaging. This actually is pretty darn easy so far to get this together. I think the hard part's going to be getting it off of the, at least that's the nervous thing. I mean, you pay, I got it on sale. It was, and this is the 100 amp. So there's two versions of it. There's a 75 amp, and then there's the 100 amp. The 75 amp is supposed to be like up to 2 acres, and the 100 amp is supposed to be over 2 acres. So I got the 100 amp, and it was on sale for $37.99, only $100 more than the 75 amp. Look at that. Came with another spare key and keychain. That's freaking awesome. Can't never have too many of those. Sweet, thanks for that, Ryobi. I don't care what nobody says, Ryobi is a great company. I actually have a lot of their stuff. I know you probably, when you looked at me putting up my TVs and stuff like that, Ryobi is definitely my favorite brand when it comes to tools. Like I'm not one of those people that are like heavy into like woodworking and different stuff like that. I've gotten into it more recently. I rebuilt our deck on our last house and front porch on our last house to get it ready to sell. But I'm not a quote unquote, you know, tool guy, as they would say. I'm getting into it though. It's actually pretty cool, and I might be making some videos in the future where I make some custom stuff to go along with my nerdiness. For instance, I'm gonna do like a cool little low TV area in my bedroom, in the sitting area. And I think we're gonna make a little really low, kind of short coffee table area. Not coffee table area, but a little console area for my Switch. I don't know, we'll see. And we got these really big straps, and I'm gonna see if I can save these, because who knows what you think. I need a smaller, oh no, that's gonna work. Smaller flat head, that's gonna work. Who knows what you could use these big ratchet straps for. So I'm gonna hold on to those. Sorry, I'm probably mooning you. Yeah. One thread. All right. Tim Allen. All right. A little easier than hand tightening. As you can see, steel frame is to be discarded and not to be returned to the supplier. So that's basically saying it's your problem. But I have to take the bolts off of there so that I can bag her off of there, which again is about, what's that, 4 inches, 4.5 inches, but you get it. And then here is this is the port. So this is where you plug it in. So last time we have low speed drive, low speed cut, engage, disengage the blades, on, off, where it's at now, auxiliary for power. We have a reader that tells you how much power you have. You got a USB to charge peripherals, including your cell phone. And you have a storage container. And spare key right here. In. Turn it on. 100%. Came with 100% and it's been sitting out here for a couple days. That's crazy. Okay, so it beeps when you're not on it to let you know that power's still on. I don't think you guys understand the gravity of the fact that I've never driven one of these before. So we got open, reverse. All right, see what we got here. All right. That wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad at all.